Welcome to Introduction Animate CC. I'm your teacher, Karen Jossel. We'll be going over just a few basics, like, for example, the discussions. Very important to an online class. Please participate and respond to at least two of your peers with something relevant. You don't, not just, oh, I think what you did was really cool or something like that. If you don't have a lot to verbalize, find a tutorial or two online and upload that to the discussion with some conversation, because creating a sense of community is better for an online class. I'm not going to go over all the details of the syllabus. I'm still working on it, to be honest. But one thing I want you to understand is this is not a coding class. It does use JavaScript and action scripting, but you will not have to know them. If you do, you can go ahead and use them on your assignments. Your assignments are not all from the book. I picked a particular book because I thought it was more global in reach. It doesn't focus on one version of the software. Some of the assignments from the book I have found better assignments other places. So if I think something's confusing about any assignment, I'll probably do a video or write something up. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My text number is 323-630-7552. That's 323-630-7552. Put your name, you're not in my phone book. Put your name on all of your assignments, please. The assignments are not strict because most of you are advanced students educationally. So you can look at the assignment like there's a bouncing ball assignment. Well, you can make it whatever you want, as long as I see that you've used the tools that are being talked about in that particular assignment. And there will be many assignments like that. I hope you have fun. I'm going to address the elephant in the room. That's the last thing I'm going to do, and that's what's going on in our country. I know it's very difficult. We're lucky we're an online class, but if you're having issues or problems, please don't hesitate to contact me or whoever at the school you know, so that we can work together and solve any issues or whatever needs to happen. Thanks for taking this class. I hope you enjoy it.